everybody come up here on stage for our final song of White Christmas. And at this time, I'd like to take a moment and thank our technical crew. Sherry Price, where are you? Sherry Price, I'd like to thank Todd Stevens, Michael Marks. We have a whole group of people, John Norton, Lori Dujic, Sam McFeeters for recording this show, Robert Alfryer. The list continues on and on. The Josh family did all the decorating here. Crystal, Josh and Crystal. So anyway, any other people want to join us on the stage? We ask you, the audience, also please join in. So hit it, Michael.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas without the ones I used to know. The treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Dreaming of white Christmas, every Christmas card I write. Your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Sleigh bells in the snow. Dreaming of white Christmas. Every Christmas card I write. Be merry. May all your Christmases be white. Dreaming of a white Christmas, not like the one I used to know. Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card. May all Christmases be white.